Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to do quick login on Roblox PC in a simple way. To begin, open a browser where you are logged into Roblox. There you will click on the gear icon and then click on Quick Login. Then you can see a field where you must enter the code that will be requested and that we can get, as we will see below. To do this, from another device or another browser, you will go to the Roblox login page. There you will click on the Another Logged In Device button or the Quick Login if available. Now copy the code that appears. Go back to the initial Quick Login window and paste the code you just copied. Then you will click on Enter. Now click Confirm Login. You will see that the login has been successful and you will see the location. On the other device or browser, confirm that you are successfully logged into Roblox. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.